Hi everyone. Today we're gonna work on French exercise. So in case you don't get it, I'm here to help you guys. Okay? Salut mes amis. J'espère que vous allez très bien. Mbote na bandeko no subo za kolananga. Lelo toko travailler na biso na exercice ya français. Alors naza pona ede bino. So guys, don't panic. Okay? You don't get it. I'm here to help you guys. You don't need to pay me anything. I'm here to help you guys. Okay? When we take a look here, la phraséologie, okay? So we're gonna do this exercise together, okay? You're gonna hear this a lot. Um Look, my advice to you, try not to be you wanna know everything. Don't do that. Don't do that. When you wanna know if you want to know everything, you wanna be number one, you're gonna have a problem in life, because you know the jealousy it's built inside when you want just to be number one. Number one, no, don't do it. Don't be like that. If you understand, it's okay. If you don't understand, I'm here to help you guys. Okay, so let's go. Enough talking. Let's go now. Qui qui a eu mon livre de français? Qui a eu mon livre de français? So, answer here is a. This a come from verb to have. Okay? J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, on a. Okay? So, this is the part of it. Qui a eu mon livre de français? Okay? Polo. Polo va à l'école. À l'école. So, this is the one we're gonna use. Polo va à l'école. Paul va à l'école. Hein? Paul va à l'école. Paulyn va à l'école. Hein? Pauline va à l'école. Hein? Pauline va à l'école. Hein? Okay? I'm gonna read one more time. Qui a eu mon livre de français? Polo va à l'école. Paul va à l'école. Paulyn va à l'école. Pauline va à l'école. Pauline va à l'école. Hein? When we come here, see, when I say qui a, so this in French, this, qui, it sounds like this in French. It sounds like qui. Okay, it sounds like that. Qui. Now, when we combine them with this, qui, and a, so it sounds like kia. Sound like this, kia. You know when you say the name Kiana, it's African name. So when you say this name, Kia, and a, Kiana, Kiana. So in this case, when we combine these, it sound. You see this one? It sound like this. Qui a eu mon livre de français? Qui a eu mon livre de français? Okay? Polo va à l'école. Here we link it. Forget about this. When you write it, make sure you write it. We just link it. Polo va à l'école. This O sound like This one, like ko. Okay? When you say they write like this, ko, ngo, Congo. When you see they write like this, go, ngo, the same. The sound is the same, just spelling different. Okay? So, Polo va à l'école. Polo is Lingala. It's Lingala. Okay? In French, we say Paul. In English, we say Paul. Okay? Be careful there. Polo va à l'école. Same thing with this. Paul va à l'école, because this name and this name the same. This one is in Lingala. This one is French. But this one is a different name. But when you cut here, become Paul. When you cut this name here, it's a Paul. When you cut name here, it's a Paul. But so in this case here, when I say Pauline, listen to me guys. Pauline. So here, Polo, Paul, Paulyn, Pauline, Pauline. Because this Y in this case is sound as E. Pauline. Okay? So here we go. Paul va à l'école. Paulyn va à l'école. Pauline va à l'école. Pauline va à l'école. Okay? So, we come here. Kevin va bla 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 à l'école. Kevine va bla 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 à l'école. Gisèle va bla 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 à l'école. Marie va bla 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 à l'école. Henriette va bla 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 à l'école. Mariette va blah 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 à l'école. So we have to figure which one we have to put, which preposition, because we use this preposition. Remember, we use this one too. So we have to figure out which preposition we're gonna use here. Okay. So I give you guys let's say 10 seconds. Okay. Here we go. Kevin va à l'école. Kevin. Okay. Kevin. In English, we say Kevin. In French, we say Kevin. Kevin va à l'école. Kevine. So, Kevin, it's a male. Kevine, it's a female. Okay? So, Kevine va à l'école. Gisèle va à l'école. Marie va à l'école. Henriette va à l'école. Mariette va à l'école. Okay? So, we're gonna, Kevin va à l'école. So, here we go. Kevin va à l'école. Kevine va à l'école. Gisèle va à l'école. Mariette va à l'école. Henriette va à l'école. Mariette va à l'école. Okay? So we're gonna do the next one. All right. So we're gonna work on this one. Okay? So let's do this together. So let's see. Antoinette va à l'école. Kevin et mon collègue. We're gonna use this. Okay? Les gens, bla bla bla, nombreux en août. So, les gens sont. This one, okay? We're gonna use this one. Okay? Okay? This one's come from verbe être. Je suis. Okay? Tu es. Okay? So, In case you don't know where this coming from, okay? So it's coming from verbe être, okay? So here we go. Papa et maman travaillent en ville. This one is a, okay? Père et mère travaillent en ville. It's the same thing, okay? In case you don't get it. Okay? Papa et maman travaillent en ville. Père et mère travaillent en ville. Okay? Guylain achète de légumes, bla bla bla. Oh, 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 sorry. Oh, 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 here. Oh, au supermarché. Au supermarché. Okay? So Guylain achète de légumes au supermarché. Okay? Au supermarché. Okay? Come here. Antoinette va à l'école. So this one is the preposition, okay? Kevin et mon collègue. This one is a verb être. It's come from verbe être. Les gens sont nombreux en août. We link here, okay? En août. Papa et maman travaillent. You don't have to pronounce this, okay? It's a silent. En ville, because ville is part of it's a feminine. La ville. Je vais en ville, okay? You don't say je vais aux villes, no, because we say la ville, not les villes, okay? Père et mère travaillent en ville. So papa, père, same thing. It's a synonym. It's the same thing. Papa, okay? So maman, maman, ma mère, okay? This one, ma mère, ma maman, mon père, mon papa, okay? Mon frère, ma soeur, okay? So, yep. So I'm gonna stop here for today. So thank you so much. You guys take care. Bye bye.